Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. How is everyone doing? It is Thursday, July 6th, I think. Just getting ready to go out. I'm gonna go for lunch, like little picnic action with my girlies, Becca and Jenna. So just finishing up getting ready. Want to take a quick sec to shout out the sponsor of this video, which is Native. I'm very excited about this. I used this all weekend while I was in Tofino, and this is the first time I've tried Native deodorant, and I love it. Like I said, I used it the whole time I was in Tofino, and I rinsed off, like didn't even really wash my body one time because I'm definitely a purist a little bit when it comes to camping, and I don't need to like wash my body if I'm camping. But this was huge. I asked all my friends, I even told them, I was like, I'm trying out this new deodorant and you need to smell me, and everyone had nothing but good things to say. So very impressed. This is a paraben-free, aluminum-free, vegan, cruelty-free deodorant. It has up to 72 hours of odor protection, which I definitely feel like I can attest to. I'm definitely not the sweatiest girl on earth, but I do perspirate, as we all do. And I definitely feel like this was odor protection like 1000%. It worked amazing. I have the coconut and vanilla scent that I'm using right now, which I really love. It's really like subtle, really nice. I also have the sea salt and cedar scent. They have so many different scents. I haven't tried this one yet, but I love the scent of this, a little bit more masculine. And then I also got one from the Sensitive range, which is formulated without baking soda, and this is the sandalwood and shea butter, which is also so yummy. But they have like more fruity ones, like peach and stuff like that. So huge wide range of scents. I have a discount code for 20% off. You can use code Sarah Gray on their site for a limited time, so I definitely would if you are already a Native user or if you want to try some yourself. But I'm very excited. I feel like I actually have tried the spray ones before, but I think I prefer the stick ones. And when you're applying these, it feels dry. It's like not wet or goopy or sticky or anything like that. Very impressed. Thank you, Native, for sponsoring this video. I will continue to use this just because I feel like I really enjoy using a aluminum-free deodorant. It's just what works for me. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm gonna use this MAC Lippy, I think. This one is in Simulation, the like squirt ones that I've showed you a couple times, I think. Just wearing this little thrifted top that I cut, which I feel like I obviously cut. It's navy. I really like it. I had it for many years. I think you've seen me probably wear it before. And then I'm just wearing it with my Gap thrifted shorts. It's supposed to be really hot. I actually got a email from, what is it? I think it's Weatherly, or I'm on like the subscription list for a newsletter called Currently, and it was recorded that, where does it say? Tuesday, which was July 4th, was the hottest single day on Earth in the history of human civilization. So I think we all, mostly big oil, have some work to do. That was a fun email to wake up to. I also just want to say a big, huge thank you for everyone for being here. I really could not do this without any of y'all, and I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you who support me and my channel. I seriously just, I can't thank you enough. And thank you to everyone who has joined my Patreon. That really, really means a lot to me. I just never in a million years could imagine being in this position. And every day I'm counting my lucky stars that I'm here, and I truly could not be here without each and every single one of you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all. Good morning, it's Saturday. I went out last night. One of my friends from Australia is in town, who I met so long ago, like when I first moved here, like 2016 or 2017. Anyways, she also separately knew Sarah, and then we all became friends. So we went out last night and I wasn't hungover or anything, I'm just sleepy. And I also just feel like doing like home stuff today and just being at my house. So as y'all heard from me mentioned in my last vlog, I'm moving. Not for a while, but I'm slowly cleaning up my closet. So that's what I'm doing today. I have some piles started. I have like so many different things going. I have like consignment stuff, and then I have a big bin for my friends, and then I have things I want to sell on Poshmark. So just kind of going through my closet and getting rid of some stuff. I really want to like truly pare down my outfits. I feel like I'm so disconnected from my clothing, and like I really just want to like narrow down things in my wardrobe that I can wear consistently and go with everything, and I feel like are actually my style. So I'm being really ruthless with the things I'm getting rid of, and things I've been holding on to just for the sake of holding on to because I like the piece or they have sentimental like value to me. So I'm being ruthless and I'm getting rid of some stuff. But that's what I'm doing today. It's like 1 o'clock already and it's windy because otherwise I'd be at the beach. Y'all know I'd be at the beach if it wasn't so windy. We're doing home stuff today. My hair is dirty, I need to shower, but I'm too lazy. But we're also going out again tonight, so I'm gonna shower later. Okay, back to closet clean out time. Good morning. Oh my gosh, I feel like my blush looks so intense. It's like, hi, it's Sunday morning, it's Pride. Oh, I forgot to put deodorant on. It's Pride, so I'm wearing this because it's the only, I feel like it's the only colorful thing I have right now. I don't know what, I got rid of all my colorful stuff. Also, my nose is not sunburnt. I put lots of orange blush on it. But I'm wearing with these white denim shorts. Gonna go bike over to my boyfriend's house because I cannot drive because all the roads are closed for the parade. And then I think we're just gonna go on a walk. Normally, under normal circumstances, I would go to the parade, but he's not feeling well, and so I'm like, we should not be around tons of people. So is this cute? Let's see. I feel like mom slash grandma on vacation. I feel like this is not that cute, but whatever. It's Pride and I want to wear something fun. I want to wear something colorful. This is my Western Washington University, not to be confused with Western in Canada. I did not go there, but I don't know why, I just really love WWU. I think it's such a beautiful campus and I love Bellingham, so. But just gonna finish getting ready. I got this new cool hat I gotta show you guys. I feel like it kind of looks like a witch's hat right now, but it's from this new brand called Claudent, and it's like an oversized bucket hat. Don't know if I'll wear it with this, but I wanted to show you because I think it's so cool. And they're beautiful. Like, it has this green label on it. It's just so cute, and it's made out of UPV, which is a like basically SPF but fabric is what I would like equate it to, which I think is really cool, and they make apparel as well. Anyways, just want to show you that. I thought it was gonna work with this outfit, but maybe not. See, my first instinct when I'm talking through the mic is that I want to be a stand-up comedian, not a vocalist. Hey.
Oh, I see.
What's going on? Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Is this what I really sound like? No?
What?
This is what I really sound like when I'm talking.
Yeah, a little bit.
I feel like maybe we should keep the mic and the monitors in the living room so that anyone can do this when they want to, because I feel like it's kind of cathartic. But maybe on a different shelf.
Yeah, we can have
like a nice shelf.
It's part of the jam room.
Yeah.
It's art.
It's showbiz, baby.
Oh, you've turned me off? I've got so much to say.